everyone. Hello, my beautiful people in the building. Hello, my darling people. Mama Regina, they don't finally give a shift for our village. My people. When I see am, I shocked Halizo. I say, money good though, my people. Money good though. Who say money not good? That person they lie yo. Money it too good, it too sweet. Because now money, now he put Mama Regina for this position where she did. So, una know say without money, person not they talk for that at Nigeria where we dey. Oh, see Mama Regina now. They don't give a chief for our village. I go put the video more and see them. Whether they pray for them, whether they do everything for them. You know? I say, my darling people. When I say I'm a shelter, life small because I say, when they go give poor person this shift now, whether it go be possible. When I know say she don't see fair show ring that they say she don't engage for she don't engage. Say very soon Nana she go still marry too because she still dey young. The woman still need love for her life. Una understand? So when I come see her now say Mama Regina, they don't finally give her shift. I say hey my people. E no easy to come give you chief for your village. A woman for that matter, they can't give her chief for our village, you know. They bam well. Hey, they very, very sweet because without money, person not fit do anything for that Africa. For them to come just give Mama Regina chief. Hey, you're not gonna hear what they give for social media. My people. So now say I come update to now. Mona say yeah the ogbonge news wey dey ground o. Mama Regina na chief now, my people. Now wa for wire road o. Now wa say they can't just give the thing they surprise me like say they just come look for everybody. They go say that Mama Regina the one can't give shift. Maybe she don't they sow seed for that village where she don't they give them money where and they can't just reason and say what we go do now? We will just give this woman shift for this village. Maybe now make they can't give her a shift. You know, maybe she does it today nice to that village. She don't they really nice to them. Maybe I really cause them, you know. Anyway. They're good show they're very, very good for people to really like they do good thing, you understand? Maybe I make them say give her this shift. So that's why I come update to now. So I will put the video for you people to see when I say congratulate her. You know, it's not so Mama Regina do this, we're going to talk about at least as they say give her this shift now. When I say congratulate her, she deserve them. Thank you. Bye everybody.